Hi, Sandun Mendis here. He has visited our clinic like 3 months ago, complaining the broken down front incisor tooth because of the accident due to cricket ball hit on the front tooth and it's broken. So he want to replace that. So we have suggested the implant because the tooth was infected. The remaining the broken tooth is broken. Remaining roots were infected. So we have suggested to remove the tooth and clean the infection and to do the implant immediately. So 3 months before we have done the procedures, we did the implant and we did the bone graft and soft tissue graft also. Now it's after 3 months of healing. We have checked with the ISQ device. The implant is very much stable. Everything is fine and we have taken the measurement last week. Now today we are going to replace the permanent.